I have a bunch of information stored in custom fields within each of my contact records in PhoneBurner. I need to be able to search for contacts based off of the values within those custom fields so I can find the right people to either reach out to with another dial session or export those contacts. Don't worry, PhoneBurner's got your back. And that's what we're going to talk about on this training. So this is another training that's part of the Advanced Search Training module. In this specific training, we're going to be focused on the Custom Fields section of the Advanced Search. So let's go ahead and expand that. Now keep in mind, everything that you're seeing in the Custom Fields section on the screen right now will not exist in your PhoneBurner account. I am in my PhoneBurner account, and custom fields are unique to every user. So keep that in mind. If you're not seeing a field called renewal date, that's not a problem. That's just because you have not created a custom field in your account called renewal date. Everything in the custom fields is determined by you. So if you do or don't have a custom field, totally up to you whether or not you do or don't want to create that custom field, right? All up to you. That being said, we do have a few different types of custom fields, right? We have date fields. Date fields give you the ability to search for contact information within those fields using all of the date parameters that we've talked about in some of the other trainings. You can search for contacts that have a specific date in that field. That the date is before or after a specific date that you select. That date is today or before, today and after, right? So in this particular case, I've got a custom field that I've named renewal date, right? So I might want to find all of the contacts that have a renewal date that is due June 1 to June 30th or 31st, or however many days are in June, right? I might want to do a search for contacts that have a renewal date between, and then choose the specific date range that I care about. Now, in my particular case, I'm not going to have any contacts that meet that specific criteria. But that's just an example of how you could use this. You could do before X days ago, after X days ago. Specific amount of days passed, right? So that's the date field. Another type of field that we have is the text field, right? Where you can just freehand, free write whatever kind of text you want in that field. Now, what's important to think about when searching a text field are wildcard search options, right? You might want to add an asterisk before or after something so you can search a field based off of something containing a specific value, starting or ending with a specific value. But keep wildcards in mind whenever you're searching a text field. We also have checkbox fields. Checkbox fields are either checked or not checked, so it's a yes or no type of a thing, right? Are they past due? Yes or no? Are they on my do not text list? Yes or no, right? Those are all one or the other. And another option that we have is a drop-down field. A drop-down field allows you to pick a value from that field. And so here you can see I can search for contacts based off of whether or not they have a specific value in that drop-down menu field. Let's go ahead and reset this. And then the final option that we have for searching is a numeric field. So a numeric field allows you to search for contacts that have a value that equals a certain thing, is greater than or less than, is not equal to, is between specific values. So this comes in really handy when you have contact information like home values, right? So not every contact is going to have a specific home value that's all the same. It's going to be ranges, right? So you may want to create lists of contacts that are within a specific range. And so that's where numeric value field comes into play, and the advanced search feature allows you to search for contacts and find contacts that meet whatever criteria it is that you're looking for based off of that. So anyway, that is a quick little overview of the custom fields section within the advanced search. And again, just as a reminder, these are my custom fields. Yours are going to be completely different, but the types of fields are all the same across the board. So thanks for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.